Hey everyone, welcome back to Wired Rides, your front seat to the world's most exciting vehicles, from luxury SUVs to futuristic motorhomes and everything in between. We're taking you inside a campervan that defies expectations. This is the Dreamer D53 Fun, a small luxury campervan that somehow fits 4 beds, a full-sized bathroom, and a 9-speed automatic transmission. All inside a van that's under 6 meters long. Sounds impossible, right? Let's dive into this ingenious European creation and see how Dreamer managed to pack in so much comfort and practicality without compromising drivability. Exterior overview. At first glance, the D53 Fun might look like your standard Fiat Ducato base camper, sleek, practical, and compact. But step closer and you'll start to notice some details that separate it from the crowd. Built on the reliable and proven Fiat Ducato platform, the D53 Fun features a clean white exterior with subtle gray graphics, LED daytime running lights, and integrated windows that provide privacy while letting in tons of natural light. It's under 6 meters in length, making it small enough to navigate narrow city streets and tight campsites, but don't be fooled by the size. This little van is hiding a lot more than meets the eye. Sleeping for 4. Let's start with one of its most shocking features, for dedicated sleeping spaces. That's right, for beds in a campervan of this size. Here's how they did it. Up top, there's a pop-top roof with a double bed that comfortably sleeps to adults. It's perfect for warmer nights, offering panoramic windows and ventilation. Down below, the main lounge area converts into another double bed. The cushions flatten into a surprisingly comfortable sleeping surface, and there's even a divider for privacy. In some layouts, Dreamer also offers the option for a small child's bed using cab seats, making it ideal for families. That means this van can sleep a couple, 2 kids, or even for adults depending on the configuration. Talk about maximizing space. The bathroom, full-size surprise. Next up, the bathroom, which is not what you'd expect from a small camper. Instead of a cramped toilet cubicle, Dreamer went all in with a full wet bath that includes a real, stand-up shower area with built-in drainage, a swivel cassette toilet with electric flush, a compact but functional sink with storage underneath, LED lighting, a mirror, and even a towel rack. This is the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a 7-meter motorhome, not a compact van. It's a major win for anyone who wants full independence on the road. No more relying on campsite showers. Kitchen and dining area. Moving into the kitchen, Dreamer has designed a space that's both stylish and highly functional. You get a 2-burner gas stove with an integrated glass lid, a stainless steel sink with a folding faucet, a large compressor fridge with a freezer compartment, ample storage for dry goods, dishes, and utensils, LED lighting and sleek cabinetry that makes the whole space feel modern and premium. The adjacent dining area features a swivel table and 2 Captain S chairs that rotate from the cab, perfect for meals, working on the road, or just kicking back with a coffee and a view. Driving experience. Now, let's talk about what makes this van so easy and enjoyable to drive. The 9-speed automatic transmission. Paired with the latest Euro 6 diesel engine, this setup gives you smooth gear changes, great torque for climbing hills or overtaking on highways, improved fuel efficiency, a more relaxed driving experience, especially on long trips. Add to that advanced driver assists like cruise control, hill start assist, rear view camera, and parking sensors, and the D53 Fun feels less like a motorhome and more like a well-equipped crossover. Climate control and off-grid features. Comfort on the road is key, and Dreamer didn't cut corners here either. The D53 Fun is packed with features like diesel heating system for cozy nights, optional air conditioning in the living space, 240 volts hookup and USB outlets throughout, leisure battery with solar panel options for off-grid camping, optional inverter and lithium battery upgrade for extended wild camping, Storage and smart design. What really sets this van apart is how intelligently it uses every inch of space. You'll find overhead lockers with soft close mechanisms, a huge rear garage accessible from the back, ideal for bikes, folding chairs, or outdoor gear. Underseat storage compartments, dedicated wardrobes and shelving. You'll be amazed how much stuff you can bring without cluttering the space. Who is it for? So, who is the Dreamer D53 Fun built for? Families who want a compact but capable camper with real sleeping space. Digital nomads who want comfort and convenience without going full RV. Couples who like to travel with friends or guests. And anyone looking for a go-anywhere vehicle that doesn't compromise on living space. This van delivers a lot more than most vehicles in this class, without ballooning in size or price. So there you have it, the Dreamer D53 Fun, a marvel of compact engineering that brings together for beds a true bathroom and a smooth 9-speed automatic drive, all in a vehicle that fits in a regular parking space. If you're dreaming of freedom, flexibility, and family-friendly comfort, this might just be your perfect road companion. What do you think? Would you take the D53 Fun on your next road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wired Rides for more amazing campervans, luxury builds, and future-ready rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.